Uncover your assets, protecting your sales to new foreign markets. You remember Jane? She is a hot business designing and selling handbags, and business is booming. A large retailer in China wants to carry her handbags, and Jane's excited about this opportunity, but nervous because she's never done business outside of Canada. She doesn't know this retailer, so she's worried she might not get paid for her shipment, and it's keeping her awake at night. Her insurance broker Max says credit insurance, also called receivables insurance, will protect her from this type of loss. He's been working with credit insurance providers and has put together 3 different policies for Jane to consider. The policies are similar, but Policy 3 is best suited to Jane because this provider has offices globally with insight into the business practices of hundreds of millions of companies around the world. They'll cover her shipments to her new customer in China and will also cover Jane's customers in Canada, which is something Max thinks she should do. Jane believes receivables insurance is a good idea, but she was concerned that it would be costly. However, Max explained that the cost of a policy is generally less than 0.5% of annual sales and showed her that it can sometimes be a lot less, depending on the policy structure and what's being covered. And with credit insurance covering up to 90% of an invoice value, Jane could see that this was far less than the cost she'd incur if her new customer couldn't pay for a shipment of handbags. Jane selects Policy 3 because it provides the best coverage for her business, and though it's not the least expensive, it's affordable. Jane purchases receivables insurance and starts coordinating her expansion plans for China. Next time on Cover Your Assets, Jane finds out that her receivables insurance policy is very helpful when seeking financing from her bank. Want to cover your assets? Contact a member of the Receivables Insurance Association of Canada to find out how.